Okay, so I'm going to make a tutorial for you guys on how to upload a video onto Vimeo or YouTube by preparing it first in Compressor. So Compressor is in the applications folder if it's not on the dock, and its icon looks like this. So I'll go ahead and double click to open Compressor. And then I'm going to add a file. I can just click the add file button, or I could click and drag it here if I knew where, if I had it open on the desktop somewhere. HD2, capture, scratch. Yep, HD2. So I have this lighting setup movie open, and once it opens up in a compressor, I could scrub through it and see. Okay, my cat is walking on the camera. Let's get that off of there. The various frames. I could also mark another endpoint for it. So if I want to test it out. Now we have the orange background light. So maybe I don't need the whole entire clip, so I'll play forward a little bit.
And the light, I'll say it because I'm closer to the microphone. The light that's lighting right now,
So I'll start it there.
I'll say it because I'm closer to the microphone.
So I'm going to mark an endpoint. Darn it, the cat. Okay.
And the light, I'll say it because I'm closer to the microphone.
Okay, so that's where I want my endpoint to be. So I'll just set the endpoint using that button there. And really, then I'm just going to go over here to the settings, and in the search, I'm going to type H.264, and that pulls up all the options under H.264. And the one I want is this one that's called for YouTube sharing, so I click and drag it up there. And then you just have to decide if you want to save it to where your original file is, or if you want to designate another target. If you do want to change the target, you go to New Target or Destination Other, and you get a Finder window, and you could tell it where to save. In this case, I think the folder where it's saved to is fine. I just want it to fall right underneath where the original movie is, so I'll just click Cancel, and Source will send it there. And I click Submit, and then I would click Submit again, which I forgot on my laptop from the school for some reason is grayed out, but normally it's not grayed out, and you just click it, and it cooks through your footage, and you end up with your compressed document. So again, just delete that out of there. You would either drag a file here, or you'd go to Add File, find the movie clip you're looking to add, click Open. At that point, you have to add a setting to what you want to do. So I'm going to type H.264, and all the H.264 options come up here on the list. I'll grab the YouTube sharing one and drag it on, and what that is it's a preset. If I click on it, it tells me what it's doing to it. It keeps it HD, but it changes the compression and the encoder to make it smaller and upload faster. Then you click Submit, and then you have a chance to rename it. And then you click Submit again. And it cooks through, and it makes the movie.